Budster eating the pecan. Sorry about the low light, guys. Also zoomed in a little bit. It's almost time for his bedtime, too. Oh, you dropped it. Butterfingers. Oh, you jumping for me? Okay, come on. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hey. Right here. There we go. Come on. And yes, he has a water bottle in his cage. He likes this one, though, which is why I kept it. He really likes this one. Hi. That's a bit of an extreme close-up. Are you done with the water? You done with the water? I'd actually put this one in this cage too, but it doesn't fit. Alright, thanks, Bud. I love you. Thank you. Thank you.